requirement for those stockpiles on the site.
So they need to be removed because now the facility is an unpermitted site.
You want the stockpiles to be removed because now the facility is unpermitted. Is that correct?
That's correct.
As the LEA, do you have any other avenues or any other options for Rio Santiago other than removing those stockpiles as an unpermitted?
I'm sorry, allow the question to be finished.
As an unpermitted facility.
Okay, and again, objection lacks foundation, calls for a legal conclusion, calls for speculation.
I'll allow it to the extent the witness can answer in her capacity as the head of the LEA.
Yeah, as an unpermitted facility, that's basically illegal disposal. So it needs to be taken off the property.
Given that Mr. Duchesneau's client is arguing they are operating as an IDEFO, can they use the current stockpiles as part of that IDEFO operation?
Objection, it lacks foundation, vague and ambiguous.
Overruled.
Based on what I've seen out there, I would think not. There lacks data to show that the concrete that has been brought in is uncontaminated. I've seen plaster out there from pools. I can't testify on the type of plaster because they're all different types of plaster, but it's all mixed in. And if I saw it back in February on my visit, it is now buried probably 20 to 30 feet below, and it's mixed.
As an IDEFO operation, is it LEA's position that inspection and separation of good from bad debris that can be used for a fill needs to happen concurrent with a grading and compaction process?
Objection lacks foundation, calls for a legal conclusion.
Overruled.
So the material should be, that material when it was brought in should have been kept separated, because once you mix it, it's no longer able to separate back out. That's understood. And the other thing, sorry. Can I continue? Okay. So, and one of the things, as well as when you, the records that we've been looking at, one of the things that's like a big red flag to us is if you say there's never ever been any material that's been taken on site that is not allowed, that's a big red flag on any kind of solid waste site.
So is it your testimony that they're not authorized to commence an IDEFO operation as we stand today?
That's correct.